Here's 30 keyboard shortcuts you need to know. Working on a confined desktop, remove the window bar across the top of the screen with this shortcut. Control, Shift, \. Maximize the panel under your mouse cursor by hitting the accent grave key, which is also the same key as the tilde beneath your escape button. Toggle full screen previews of the source or program monitors with Control and accent grave. On the timeline, hitting \, expands or shrinks the view so everything on the current timeline is visible. Tap again to revert to your last view. You can replace a clip in the timeline by holding Alt and drag that clip on. This also preserves any effect that's on your original clip. If you press plus on your keyboard, it will zoom in, and if you press minus, it will zoom out. If you hold Shift and press plus, that will expand the view of your layers, and if you press minus, that will decrease the view of your layers. You can also hold Alt and hit plus, and that will increase the size of your audio layers. Equally so, if you hold Control and plus, that will increase the size of your video layers. Something else you can do is you can actually create presets for these. So if I want to drag my V1 layer and make that big, and my audio 1 layer and make that big, I can click this little timeline display settings and click Save Preset. We're just going to name this Test. And get creative with this because you can drag these however you want and then you can recall them later. For example, click this button right here and then recall large V1 and audio. In order to delete a preset, click Manage Presets and then just delete whatever ones you don't want. Pressing Shift Q will bring the previous video to the playhead. And if there's a gap, you can go anywhere and press Shift Q. That will trim that video and then press Shift Q again and that will bring this here. This only works for the layer that is currently targeted. So if it's not targeted, it won't work. Go to the top under Edit, press Keyboard Shortcuts. Press Alt and then type on Target Video. Drag on Toggle Target Video 1 to 1, Video 2 to 2, and so forth, and press OK. This will allow you to enable track targeting. So if I hold Alt and press 1, 2, or 3, you'll see that it now enables these, and you can do them in any order, enable or disable all of them. Pressing up and down will cycle through all your videos on the targeted track. And if you hold Shift and up and down, it will cycle through all the edit points on all layers, regardless of whether the track is targeted or not. You can click and drag to select all your layers, but if you hold Control and click and drag, it will select all the edit points. You can press D to select all of the tracks at the playhead that is targeted on the left-hand side. If the tracks are not targeted and you press D, those tracks will not be selected. Pressing Q will delete everything before the playhead, and pressing W will delete everything after the playhead. If you press A, that will bring up the forward selection tool. Anywhere you click, it will select everything that's after your cursor. Now if you hold Shift, that will bring up the single line forward selection. You can select everything after your cursor on that specific line. Now if you hold Shift and press A, that will bring up the backward selection tool. So anywhere you click, it will select everything at your cursor before that. And again, if you hold Shift, it will select everything before your cursor on that line. If you hold Shift when you click on the lock or any of the video targeting or the video visibility layers, it will actually enable or disable all of them. In your program window, if you hit Control and R, it will bring up rulers. Now if you click and drag from the left, you can create your own custom guide. And if you click and drag from the top, you can also create your own guide. Get creative with this because you can create as many as you want. If you right click on any of the rulers and click Edit Guide, you can change how this guide is going to react, and you can also select the color of your guide. If you select a video or audio layer and then hold Alt and then the left or right arrow keys, it will actually move in that direction by 1 frame. Now if you hold Shift, it will move 5 frames at a time. While holding Alt, you can also press up or down and that will move that layer. If you guys want another video like this, please click that like button and subscribe for more. As always, I'll see you next time. Stay creative.